Well, that doesn't really lead anywhere, does it?
And you have to either get off or then pay.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, okay. Otherwise, we have a 45-minute harbor.
This one ever go out? Or is it just limited? These two, there's sister ships there. So we're right there. Yeah.
Just past us. I could hear it all the way up behind me. Okay, because it's diesel. This is electric. In a bridge in Brisbane, Australia. So you guys are connected to over here. So Brisbane, Australia. You know the Story Bridge in Brisbane? That was designed, believe it or not, by the same man. Vessels. Pacific Grace, Pacific Swift. These are sail training vessels for teenagers. So if you have a teenager in the family side, everyone on the 3 o'clock side wanting to get to the festival. This is, you're wondering, the water on this side is salt water, and the water on the other side of the bridge is fresh water. And the fresh water is coming from 3 creeks, Crayflower, Goldstream, and that bird is what's called a purple martin. And waiting for that, I do what's called a donut. I just circle the boat around, okay? And that tells the other line. But you can see it from the water. Everyone see that? Now, the 3 of you, I presume, are staying right where it says